In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Substack. Whether you're starting a new project or looking to engage your audience with regular updates, Substack provides a user-friendly platform to get you started. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Substack homepage. Simply open your browser and navigate to the Substack site. Once you're there, it's time to get started on crafting your new newsletter. Click on New Post to begin. This will open up a blank slate for your new content. Next, you'll need to select Text Post as the type of content you want to create. Substack gives you options for different types of posts, but for a standard newsletter, sticking with text is typically the best way to go. Now, let's focus on content. Start by entering a compelling title for your post. This is your chance to grab attention and set the tone for what your readers can expect. After you've nailed down your title, type in a highlight. Think of this as a brief, catchy statement that summarizes the essence of your newsletter. It can often serve as your hook to draw readers in more deeply. Following the highlight, put in a subtitle. A subtitle is like a secondary headline. It offers additional context or a sneak peek at what's to come in the rest of the content. Then it's time to dive into the main body. This is where your newsletter takes shape. Write the core content or article that you want to share with your subscribers. Take your time to convey your message clearly and engagingly. Once your content is ready, look towards the upper right corner and click on Continue. This takes you to the distribution options for your newsletter. Choose your audience here. You can opt to send your newsletter to everyone, which will reach all of your subscribers, or restrict it to paid subscribers only if you're offering exclusive content. For interaction options, decide whether you want to enable comments. You have the flexibility to open comments to everyone or disable them entirely, depending on your preference and how you want to engage with your audience. Remember to add relevant tags to make your newsletter easier to find and categorize. Consider your timing next. You can schedule your newsletter for future delivery or send it immediately depending on when you think your audience is most likely to engage. Now click on Send via email and the Substack app to finalize your delivery options. When you're ready, click Send to everyone now to send out your newsletter straight away. For those looking to capture new readers, you can also add subscribe buttons to make it easy for anyone stumbling across your newsletter to subscribe. Finally, click Continue to finalize everything and then hit Send to everyone now for the last time. And there you have it. Your newsletter is out in the world, ready to capture imaginations and elicit responses from your readers. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide on how to create a newsletter on Substack helpful.